All right, so this is how to do IXL Algebra 1 S11 slope-intercept form. Write an equation from a word problem. Max can bake 6 cookies with each scoop of flour. Write an equation that shows the relationship between the scoops of flour X and the cookies Y. Write your answer as an equation with Y first. So we're going to start with Y equals. And then it says each scoop of flour makes 6 cookies. So it's going to be 6x. Tim learns to perform 2 vocal pieces during each week of lessons. Okay, so the key is like we're looking for words of each, per, things like that. So those two things that are in that sentence with the word each or per are probably going to be linked together somehow. So write an equation that shows the relationship between the number of weeks x and the number of pieces learned. So we're going to start out with y equals, and then it says 2 vocal pieces during each week, and weeks are x. So it's going to be y equals 2x. So once you get the hang of this, it'll go pretty quickly. All right, so I already know it's going to start out with y equals. During each week of piano, notice the word each, Lindsay learns 2 new pieces. So again, it's y equals 2x. Okay, now we know it's going to start with y equals. So it says Elena already owns 6 necklaces. So already means she's starting out with 6. And additional necklace are priced at 1 for $1. All right, so this is going to be a little trickier. Okay, so each necklace costs $1. So those two things are going to be linked together. So necklaces are x, so we know we're going to have 1x, and I already own 6 necklaces. So it's going to be y equals 1x plus 6. So in these cases, we're going to have a base cost that's going to be plus or minus at the end. And then we're looking for the 2 pieces of information that are linked. I haven't even read it yet, and I'm noticing this word per. So this is probably going to be linked to something that's $1. Okay, so I'm going to start with y equals, and I know the number of visits is x, and the total cost is y. So let's go ahead and read the problem. A person can pay $6 for a membership to the art museum, and then go to the museum for $1 per visit. So there's that word per, so 1, and we know x is visits, so 1x plus 6. All right, so y equals has already taken 5 quizzes, and he expects to have 1 quiz during each week, so 1 quiz per week plus the 5 he's already taken. All right, so y equals screen printing a batch of shirts requires 1 minute per shirt. So shirts in that 1 minute are going to be linked together, so I'm assuming it's going to be 1x plus, all right, now it says in addition to 2 minutes of the initial setup time. So that's going to be my plus 2. All right, so this is how to do the IXL probe Algebra 1 S11.